Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making candied tomatoes. This is such a great technique to make your tomatoes taste maybe 100 times better. So, let's start.
First of all, cut all of the cherry tomatoes in half with a serrated knife. If you don't have a very sharp knife, a serrated knife will work perfectly. Arrange all of the cherry tomatoes on a baking tray aligned with parchment paper. I like to make a pattern with different colors because yeah, why not? It looks beautiful. Grate over some freshly ground black pepper. Now sprinkle some white sugar over each tomato and lastly, drizzle some extra virgin olive oil over the top so they will roast nicely in the oven. Put this in a 140 degrees Celsius oven for 40 minutes. You want to do it low and slow. This will bring out all the delicious flavors from the tomatoes.
And that's it! I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and I see you in the next one.